Okay, so welcome to the Oracle SQL class. In this class, we are going to discuss about join, and the agenda of this short video is to explain you why we need join. So why we need join, and number two is types of join, and then some demo. Okay, so let's try to find out why we need to have join. Okay, so let's say I have two table. I have employee table and then I have department table. Okay, so I'm just simply assuming that my department table has something called department number and department location. Okay, and then my employee table will have employee number and then name and then department number. Okay, so let's say my department number is 10 and location is New York City, and department number 20 because location is Chicago. Department number 30 I have something called my location is San Francisco. Okay, and then I have employee number 1, his name is X and he is working in department number 10 in New York. And my second employee is 2, his name is Y, he is working in Chicago, which is department number 20. And next employee is working, his name is G, and then he is working in New York. Okay, so the question that I'm asking you to find out where, tell me the employee name, tell me the name and the location where they work. Okay, so if you see this, I can query this table to get the name. Okay, but there is no location in this table. Okay, whereas the location is in another table. So essentially what we are trying to find, we are trying to find, grab some information from this table and want to get some information from another table. Okay, so therefore just by querying one table will not work here. Okay, so 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 okay, so let's try to write the query. Okay, so the query will be select, since I need the employee name, so I do name from table name is EMP, because name is only available in EMP. Okay, since do I need department number? No, I do not need any department number. What I need to know the location. Okay, fine. So let's put the department location. Okay, since department location is from department table, so therefore let's write also DPT. Okay, so the what you are trying to do, you are trying to get the information from these two tables. So if I write this query, right, if I write this query, what will be the answer? The answer will be simply a cross product of EMP and DPT table. So what I'm going to get, the answer of this table, the answer of this query will be name is X 10. So basically, just for our understanding, let's have something called name, and let's just erase this thing. So name, and then I write department number, and basically I'm just trying to see, so if I want to do the cross product, so 1x10 then 10 New York. Okay, so I'm just, instead of writing everything, I'm just writing the name and then the department number for both table and the location. Okay, so department number and location. Okay, so these two from EMP table and these two is from DPT table. Okay, so what we are going to see is X and department number 10, and then the cross product is 10 New York, then X 10 and X 10, and then 20 Chicago, then X 10 30 SF. Then so this is a first row. Okay, similarly we will have 3 more rows. Okay, so for the simplicity, okay, so what we can do is we just remove this row. Okay, so I do not have enough space to write 9 rows here. Okay, so what I just remove that one so that I can do something more quick. Okay, so y, so the cross product of this row with this, so y10, sorry, y20, right? So y20 10 New York, y20 20 Chicago, then we have another row called y20 30 San Francisco. Okay, so if I do this, okay, so basically what I'm saying is, if the result of this query will be the 6 rows, but do I need that? What I need to know, I just need to know where this X is working. Okay, so if I do something like, I put another condition here where emp dot dpt number is equal to dpt dot dpt number. So if I do that, so that means what I'm doing is wherever, like, if I put this condition, so what is going to happen is that it will check if this row is going to come or not, depend if this department number is same as this department number. Since they are same in the first row, so therefore this row will be selected. Second row, 10 is not equal to 20, so therefore what the condition is not satisfied, therefore this will not be selected. Again 1030 is not going to be selected, 2010 not selected, 2020 again this is selected, and this is not selected. So basically what I'm going to get from this query is 2 rows. One is X and then location, because I'm not searching about department number or department. I'm just searching about, I'm just finding out the location. Okay, so X New York, and then X New York, and then Y Chicago, this row. Okay, so this row is going to be selected and this row is going to be selected. Okay, so X New York and Y Chicago, so that is the answer. Okay, so if you see this answer here, right, so basically what we're saying is that, okay, so whatever the unique row employees they are getting here, but did you see, by if I write my query like this, I am not going to get, there is something, is a department called San Francisco is there, but which is not showing up, right? So this is where basically some information of the department table is going missing. Okay, and that is very obvious because there is no employee in that department. But in some cases, okay, in some cases we need to know the department, and then if there is no employee, just show null. Okay, but at least I want to see there is a department, department called 30 in San Francisco is available. Okay, but whereas no employees there. Okay, so how to find out that? Okay, so that means, if you look at this thing, right, so this is basically, whatever we did just right now, that is called simple join. Some people also call inner join. Some people call also equi join because there is a equal sign here. Okay, so but however, if I want to find out the department number which is here but which is not in my answer, what I want to do is just take a look where we have less number of rows, in employee or in department, because department table has one row which is extra. Okay, so that is what I'm going to do. Wherever, I have 2 columns department number, right? So one is from EMP, another is from DPT. Where is it lacking? The lacking is, where it is missing, or where it is missing, the missing part is from the EMP table. So therefore what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a little bit of trick there. So since employee part is missing, I will put an addition there. Okay, so if I do this, then answer will be X New York, Y Chicago, null, nothing San Francisco. Okay, so in that case what we achieve here, we achieve that there is a department location but there is no employee. Okay, that this is called outer join. Okay, So this is essentially called outer join, and the initial thing is called simple join, and that is, this concept is same across any RDBMS. Okay, so thank you for this video, and then we are going to see in the next video something more on joins.